Hey there, folks. This is Margaret with eXp Realty, and you are in for a treat today. So this is 1750 West Carriage Drive here in Titusville, and this is actually a rental. And get this, we are listed at $2,000 a month. Now this is a 65 square foot 1974 home on a quarter of an acre. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 2-car garage. So we're going to dive right in, and you are going to be excited to see this one because it's definitely unique. We don't see these super cool ones very often. So when we first go in the door, we've got a nice living room area here, and it does go into the kitchen down there on the end. And then as we go to the left here, I guess this is kind of like a formal living room area. And then we're going to go into the formal dining room area. Super cool space here. Turn that light on there, we get a little more of a view. Plus, I personally think that is such a super cool light. So, again, we got our formal dining here, kind of, I would guess, formal living there, and then a family room on this side. Look at that gorgeous staircase. Isn't that awesome with all the wrought iron? I feel like I'm walking into a castle when I come in here. So we get a little patio area on this side. And then we're going to swing around. We've got some built-ins all the way there, so you can put all your books up on the shelf there, or if you have those pretty plates that people collect, just all kinds of cool ideas you can do there. So here we go, going into the kitchen. So let's get a good look here. We've got the porcelain countertops. Still got this brick look. Like I said, I feel like I'm in a castle. So we've got lots and lots of counter space, lots of cabinets. Got your stove, of course. Refrigerator is over on this side. Got some cool shelving here. And then we do have a walk-in pantry over on this side. So walk-in pantry. Sorry, put a little shadow there. Laundry room is over here. So we've got our laundry area. And then we do have a half bath right here. So, of course, mirror, sink, little toilet area. So if you have guests over, they do not have to go upstairs into the bedroom spaces. They can go down here. We're going to go back out this way into the dining and formal living room area. And while we're down here, we're going to jump on over and we're going to check out this garage. So it's a huge garage. Look at this. So, as you can see, you've got your garage doors. We have 2 individual garage doors, but look at all this extra space. And for all of you guys who like hanging stuff on walls, let me get closer so you can see, you can hang so much stuff up on all these walls. And they are in the process of putting more of those boards up so that you will have more space than you could possibly imagine to hang all your tools. So let's go upstairs and check out the second story of this home and get my exercise today. Been showing this one a lot today, so I'm spending some time going up and down these stairs. So as you can see, we got all tile floors, and we have the tile downstairs as well. This is your primary. Give you a good look at the space here. And that door does go outside, and there's like I would guess it's some type of like patio type area, but we're really not wanting anybody to go up there. It does affect the roof line, I think, if you're walking around out there. So we do have a nice walk-in closet. Kitchen, I'm losing my mind. Your bathroom vanity. Of course, toilet back there. And then check out this huge shower. It's actually really a nice size shower in here. Plenty of space. Might be a little hard to tell from a video, which just means you're going to have to pick up the phone and call me Margaret Klein or your agent. If you're calling me, it's 321-480-7662, and you can set up a showing through me. Or if you currently have an agent, just give your agent a call, and they would be glad to come over and show you this gorgeous rental. So we do have the double sinks here in the guest or children area. You do have the tub shower combo here. We're gonna back our bodies out of here. And then check out the size of these bedrooms. These bedrooms are huge. Like, really huge. And wait till you see the third one. Third one is like, wow. And check this out. That's some cool viewing space from up here on the second floor. But look at this. Like I said, this thing is super, super big. And then look at this room. Like, you could easily put 2 or 3 kids in here. Or if you happen to have a teenager, they would be ecstatic having this huge room and a walk-in closet. Or if you've got a mother-in-law or father-in-law living with you, you know, it's kind of like a second primary. Doesn't have the bathroom, but it definitely has the space where you could set up a bed and, you know, a little extra sitting area so that they have their own privacy. So here we go, going back down the hallway again, back over to the staircase. And it's kind of a nice view out there, but like I said, we don't want anybody hanging out or playing out there. It is on top of a shingled roof, so we don't want to mess up the roof. And we're going to go back downstairs again. We'll just step outside here so you can kind of check out the neighborhood a little bit. Got a nice big front yard. We are a corner lot. As you can see, it's quiet. You can't hear anything. Don't have a lot of traffic going through this way. So we will step back inside here and I will give you a quick recap. Again, my name is Margaret Klein with eXp Realty. Number's 321-480-7662. If you happen to be watching this at midnight, I'd prefer you wait until tomorrow to give me a call. But you definitely want to get your appointment set up quickly because I am getting a lot of interest on this one. Again, we are at 1750 West Carriage Drive here in Titusville, Florida, 32796. We are in a 2565 square foot, two-floor home, 0.25 of an acre, and got those super cool wrought iron banisters, vaulted ceilings, rich wood beams, tons of living space, indoor laundry, formal dining room. So lots and lots of things that are an amazing find for a rental these days. So anyway, signing off here in Titusville. You have an amazing day, and I look forward to hearing from you real soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.